Hello, today we are in the Kestrel village of Summerlin, and this is in the far northwest part of Summerlin. This is just a view of what it looks like out here. Gorgeous mountain views from this community, just spectacular mountain views. This is what you're paying for. You're paying for the location when you move to this community, and you're getting your money's worth in here. So this community is Osprey Ridge, and it is by Richmond American. And we're going to tour the Maple home first. The Maple home has 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is approximately 2,500 square feet. It is one of the seasons, it's a seasons collection for Richmond American. So beautiful exterior on this one. It has the stone veneer outside, it has the nice coach lights. These are 2-car garages, has a patio included. This is a paver driveway, which not all builders do. I noticed that they're doing this more in this Summerlin area, the newer Summerlin communities, is including this paver setup here as opposed to a concrete driveway. So look at that view, just gorgeous if you walk outside your home every day and you look at this view. This is the community to be in. All right, so beautiful when you walk in. Nice volume ceilings, probably 24-foot ceilings. You can see there. And this is the contemporary wrought iron stair railing here, very open. And this has the wood plank flooring. This is so the way Richmond is doing these homes is they're actually building out spec homes, and that means that all of the features and upgrades have been pre-selected and ready to go, and they do that so that you can get a rate buy down and they can get started on the homes faster. So they're not actually waiting for buyers, they're just building them. So it's a better opportunity for you as the buyer. So this is 8-foot door, and you have storage in here. Very nice, love that. What I would suggest if you end up getting a home like this is to make sure that you have power in there. Although if the upgrades have already been selected, then you would not get to choose that. So this is the kitchen area we're walking into. Right here you have your garage door, entry in right into the kitchen area. And these are maple cabinets, however, they've been painted. So this is what Richmond offers. This would be an upgrade. However, because they're doing the spec homes, they would be included in 2 of the specs that they have available. And the 2 specs that they have available are priced at $696,950 and $743,443. So $743,443. So they did this range hood right here, very industrial and modern looking. And then the nice thing I love about this community is that they do the cooktop as opposed to a push-in stove. Now it's not common to have this right here. This is for water. It's a pasta water fixture, and that's not typically included. And you have a farmhouse single basin sink, and most of the time the 2 that they have available right now, the hardware is going to be that matte black. This is the gold finish. They'll have the matte black. So this is a very nice kitchen. This must be the pantry. So this is the matte black hardware that you would see in the kitchen of the 2 that they have available right now, the price that I gave you earlier. So very nice, spacious pantry. Not walk-in, however, nice and wide so you can take a look in there. You have a great room floor plan, great room style. Most of the builders are doing this right now. They're not doing a lot of formal areas because it's kind of not very common. People don't really ask for it that much. This is a stack slider door here to get you outside. This is an oversized lot. So the average backyard is going to be 20 to 25 square feet or 25 feet deep. So you could put a pool in this community if you wanted to in your home here. So lots of the recess lighting here. This is designated for your kitchen dining room table. So probably put that, they added that fixture right there, which would be a pre-wire when you close escrow on this type of home. Let's take a look at this. We're going to head into the primary right after this. This is the linen closet right outside the primary suite. And here's the primary suite. This is a primary bedroom downstairs, which is awesome. I know a lot of people like to have a single story or they want a master bedroom downstairs. Well, here you go. This is your primary suite downstairs. Love the paneled doors. Again, 8-foot doors, 9-foot ceilings. Here's your primary bathroom. Lots of space on this double sink area here. Lots of cabinet space, good sized drawers. I really appreciate that. Nice flow to that. Those are soft close. Here's your step-in shower. It's not the super shower, but it's a very good size. And of course you have a bench in here. So this would be an upgrade, what you see here with the tiling and everything. That's not a standard finish, but because they're doing the spec homes, they do include some tiling in some of the primary bathrooms. So it's just a matter of what they have available at the time that you decide you want to purchase. And again, this is a primary closet. This is an upgrade. This is a built-in closet system. I would say something like this is going to be pretty pricey wherever you get it, whether you get it from the builder or through a Closet World type scenario, California Closets and whatnot. So this has the matte black, like I mentioned, the matte black fixtures here, hardware. Nice pendant lighting in here. You probably get the pre-wire for it. You can put in your own light fixtures. Plenty of places that have hundreds of choices. I do like the glass cabinet. That would be an upgrade. And let's take a look upstairs. So the floor plans that they have available right now, the spec homes, they do already have the flooring chosen, and it's upgraded carpet and ceramic tile flooring on the downstairs. Oh, this is great. So if you're looking for a home with extra large size secondary bedrooms, or maybe a second somewhat master feeling, this community could fit that. Nice cabinet, or nice closet here, walk-in closet. These views. This is why you'd want to live in Summerlin, for these views. This is a very large bedroom. This is 2,500 square feet. Here's your laundry room. They opted to put the extra cabinets in here. Ceramic tile flooring. Another large bedroom. Now this is not typical to Las Vegas, especially homes that you get in communities like Summerlin that are production homes. Maybe in your custom homes, definitely you can get whatever size you want, but in most home builders are not going to build the extra large bedrooms. So this could be a second primary, or if you have teenagers and you need that extra bedroom with attached bathroom, that would be this community. Again, 2,500 square feet. This is really impressive how they use this space. Most people are complaining about the bedroom sizes, but not here. And this feels very open up here as well. It doesn't feel cramped, even though it does not have a loft. And another large bedroom. This is awesome. Love this. Another very large bedroom. This is my favorite part of this actual home in this community right here is the oversized bedrooms. Very impressive. I know for us, we don't really use our loft that much, so to have the loft eaten up but with bigger bedrooms, that's a win for me. So, linen closet. Here's the secondary bathroom, double sinks, and the shower, the tub. Chose an interesting choice for the tile. So I would say that for this particular home, you have the 3 bedrooms upstairs, all oversized. Share a bathroom there, plus one of the bedrooms has their own bathroom. So 2 bathrooms up here, and then you have a bathroom and a half downstairs. So again, this is in Kestrel Village, and I'm Heather with the Keays Group, bringing you home tours of Summerlin, and I'd like you to like and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.